Hello everyone, this is Take. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy onsen egg at home. Onsen eggs or onsen tamago are a traditional Japanese dish originally cooked in natural hot springs. The whites stay soft and silky, while the yolk turns rich and creamy, a perfect texture balance. The custom of cooking egg in hot spring water became popular during the Edo period as more people traveled to onsen town around Japan. So what makes onsen egg so special? It actually comes down to the science of eggs. Egg white are most water with about 10% protein. Roughly half that protein is of albumin and around 10% is of transferrin. Ovotransferrin begins to set at around 60 to 65 degrees, while most egg white firm up at 75 to 80 degrees. The yolk, which also contains protein, thickened at around about 65 to 75 degrees. This means if you heat an egg at just the right temperature, you get that unique texture, soft whites and a creamy custard-like yolk. Now let's make them at home easily. If you keep an egg at about 65 degrees for 30 minutes, the ovotransferrin in the white will set and the yolk will gently thicken. But here's an even simpler method, the 6-cup trick. Step 1. Bring 5 cups of water to a boil. Step 2. Turn off the heat and add 1 cup of cold water. Easy, right? Step 3. Gently place an egg straight from the refrigerator and cover the pot and wait 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove the eggs and cool down in cold water so they don't overcook. And that's it. Perfect creamy onsen egg ready to enjoy. You can serve them in many ways with dashi and soy sauce, on curry, over rice balls, or even on salad. Give it a try. Your breakfast and rice balls will level up instantly.
Wow!